Did you know banks will pay you thousands of dollars just to open an account? In 2025, you can stack checking and savings bonuses to collect over $5,000 legally, without any credit cards or investments. Here's exactly how. Banks are in fierce competition for your deposits. To attract new customers, they'll offer cash bonuses, £100, £200, sometimes even more. Think of it as a welcome gift for choosing their service. All you do is open the account and meet a few simple requirements. This usually involves setting up direct debits or depositing a certain amount for a short period. It's crucial to read the conditions carefully, as missing a single step is the most common reason people forfeit their bonus. But as long as you follow the instructions, it is a straightforward, contractual offer. You do this, we pay you that. It's a marketing cost for them, but for you, it's even better. In the UK, these switching bonuses are generally tax-free because they're an incentive, not income. Every penny is yours to keep. With a bit of organisation, earning over £5,000 in a single year is a perfectly realistic goal. This isn't about one lucky bonus, but strategically stacking multiple offers, collecting £150 here and £200 there. It just requires you to see bank accounts not as a lifelong commitment, but as a financial product. Bank loyalty is rarely rewarded, so treat your account like any other service and switch for a better deal. But what about your credit score? It's a valid concern. Switching a current account involves a hard credit check, which can cause a small, temporary dip. However, for most people with a healthy credit history, a few spaced-out checks won't have a major long-term impact. This guide is designed to walk you through that exact process, step by step, including how to manage everything smartly. I'm going to show you how to find the best offers, how to meet the criteria without tripping up, and how to manage the process so it doesn't become a headache. So let's get started. Prepare to become a bank bonus hunter. Your bank balance will thank you for it, I promise you that. Next, how stacking works. Here's where the real strategy comes into play. You're not limited to just one bank bonus. The true power lies in stacking them, creating a pipeline of offers that pay out one after the other. In 2025, you can cycle through multiple banks. For example, you could open a Chase checking account for a $300 bonus. While that's active, you open a Citi savings account for $400, then a Wells Fargo account for $325. Together, that's over $1,000 from just 3 accounts. The process is simple. Open, meet the requirements, get paid, and move on. But the biggest mistake is not reading the fine print. A missed direct deposit or dipping below a minimum balance can cost you the entire bonus. Always double-check the terms before you start. To stay organized, use a hub or burner account. This separate account is your command center. Use it to fund your new accounts and manage transfers. This keeps your main checking account where your salary lands completely untouched and free from disruption. It's the secret to juggling multiple offers smoothly. Pacing is key. Aim for one new offer every month or two. This prevents overwhelm and costly mistakes. Use a simple spreadsheet to track everything: opening dates, requirement deadlines, and when the bonus is due. Meticulous tracking is non-negotiable for success and turns this into a reliable system. Think of it as a conveyor belt of cash. Each bonus might seem small, but repeating this process throughout the year stacks those small wins into thousands. Just remember the golden rule. Use a separate pot of money for switching. The system is simple. Open, meet, get paid, repeat. Next, we'll break down exactly how to qualify for each bonus without tripping up. So how do you qualify? Banks want genuine customers, so they have a checklist. Common hurdles include direct deposits, minimum balances, or a few debit card transactions. You must be a new customer, meaning you haven't held an account with them recently. The application is a quick online form where you verify your identity. A crucial pro tip: direct deposit can be flexible. It often includes electronic ACH transfers from other banks, not just payroll. But this is a common pitfall, as some banks are stricter, so always read the fine print. You'll also likely need to meet a funding requirement, like depositing £1,500 within 60 days. This shows the bank you're serious. Amounts and timeframes vary, so note this detail for each offer. Many offers require small engagements, like logging into the app or making a few tiny debit card purchases. Do these as soon as your card arrives. For monthly pay-in rules, here's an automation trick. Set up a standing order to transfer money in and another to transfer it back out the next day. This meets the rule without tying up cash. For direct debits, you don't need to move major bills. A simple £1 charity donation or a small savings transfer is usually enough. This brings us to the cornerstone of safe switching, the burner account. This is a separate, fee-free account you maintain just for this purpose, with a couple of small direct debits active. When a switch offer appears, you use this account. This strategy is vital as it protects your main account. Never switch the account your salary is paid into or where your mortgage comes out. A mistake there can cause major headaches. Managing multiple offers requires organization. Use a spreadsheet to track each bank, its requirements, and all deadlines. Set calendar alerts so nothing slips through. After meeting the conditions, be patient. Payouts can take a month or more. If a payment is late, contact customer service politely. This is where your records are crucial. Always save PDFs of the T&Cs and screenshots of the offer. Promotions disappear online, so your saved copy is your proof. Now that you know the mechanics of qualifying, let's look at the landscape. Next up, we'll explore the key differences between US and UK bank bonus offers and help you decide which path is the right one for you. In the US, banks like Chase, Citi, Wells Fargo and Discover are leading the 2025 offers. In the UK, you can stack switching bonuses. HSBC, Nationwide and Lloyds often run £150, £200 deals. Thanks to the current account switch service, moving banks in the UK is a seamless 7-working-day process. This fosters frequent offers. £150, £225 are common, and volume matters. In the US, bonuses are often larger, $300, $500, or even $2,000, but requirements are steeper. Some $1,000 bonuses can require holding $50,000 for 90 days, not accessible to everyone. US route, fewer, bigger offers for those with capital. UK route, higher volume of simpler switches. US requires manual moving of payments. UK is automated and lower risk for consumer payments. Both paths can lead to totals of over $5,000 or £5,000. Choose what fits your situation. It simply requires a different strategy. Plan accordingly. Next, watch out for the common risks and how to avoid them. Watch for account fees, early closure penalties, or credit checks. A £200 bonus minus a £15 monthly fee for 12 months could cost you most of the gain. Always do the math. Each new account application may trigger a hard credit search. Space applications to avoid lender concerns. Never do heavy application activity if you're applying for a mortgage in the next 6 months. Disorganization is the biggest risk. Keep spreadsheets, reminders, and saved terms. You could miss a bonus, incur overdraft fees, or forget to close a fee-bearing account. Use the spreadsheet and calendar system I described. They're essential to avoid mistakes. Discipline and organization let you treat bonus stacking as a low-risk, high-return side hustle. Here's your step-by-step. List the top offers in your region. Open 1 or 2 this month. Apply, verify ID, and save the T&Cs as a PDF. Meet requirements. Deposit, set direct debits, log into the app, and make any required card spends. Rotate funds into the next offer using the switch service or transfers. Your burner account becomes the switching vehicle. Track your total. Update the spreadsheet immediately and set reminders for bonus due dates. Rotate offers every 2-3 months. By year end, you could be up $5,000 plus. Small tasks, big results. Make a plan and stick to it. Find, open, fund, track, repeat. By following this plan, you can make bonus stacking a simple, repeatable side hustle. Next, comment to get current offers for your country. Comment your country below, and I'll reply with this month's best offers for you. Subscribe to Upflow Club for weekly finance hacks that save and earn you money. This is education, not banking advice. Always check terms before signing up. Good luck and happy switching.